Baruch Hashem Shalom. I want us to consider lightning lines and how it mirrors Croktanianism, Suffoakism. Is it this way or is it this way? And I want us to consider the Shab's prop of a pen. Pen in Hebrew means lest. So I got a pack of pens for like $2 on Temu or something. And I got one in my shirt pocket, and like people, it just creates such a powerful suffix on your warlocks. Like, what if they're wrong? What if you're wrong? It's our counter lightning. Since all of the, remember, there's many more people than just you and that 6'7" spearhead. If you're a heavy rabbi, you have tons of wicked people. They watch us like mounds of dirt over a pit, says the Gemara. So a pen is a great prop to turn a lot of them back. What if they are wrong? What if I'm not going to forgive you for trying to rape my soul? No, we're not Eskimo brothers. No, we're not Shore brothers. You're a fucking dog. No, I got to kind of rape those, not rape, but have a mutual Shore bro agreement with some ash branches, fish, whatever. For some reason they were down. Clearly they died already. And they like me because I'm not weird about it. I don't put up a snake fight for them, and I want the best for them. I want them to be my Adonai Elohai Yisrael someday, even today, this moment. So, no, I'm not going to forgive a single one of you, so keep it in your mind. It is a very, 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 very likely, obvious, 100% truth possibility that I'm not going to forgive a single one of you based on the mitzvah in Isaiah. Oh, do not forgive them. Pen, lest. Be a lestor. I remember this tall Gibor from the black folk I worked with named Lestor. Be a penor. A lest penor, people. We need a different name. That's my mother, Leora. To me, it's her light. You can't have that brick. But you can be a lestor. Whoa. A pentor. How about that? A lest bowl. A very God-fearing bull. Let me think. Pentor. We need a little bit of a grain. How about, okay, I got a pentor, like a quickened version. Or a peentor. Or a poontor. Whoa. People, you want to be a poontor. There's two ways to write it, with a vav and without. Or a pontor. Maybe some of you. Or what else before I go? Paintor. Pinetor. Whoa, people, you want to be a pine tour with a yud. You can even add another yud just because we can. You can even add olives wherever it's fitting. Yuds, vavs, and hays. Just add them wherever you want. That fits. But the thing is, then you get heavier and more people want to talk to you. So that's why Moses didn't give Yehoshua his second. It was Hoshea. And then in Sefer Devarim, I think he changed it to, Sefer Bamidbar, before the Numbers spies mission, when they scouted out the land of Canaan, Israel, he changed it to Yehoshua, to give him extra strength. Okay, these lines of lightning, no. If somebody's got lines of lightning on their forehead, there's the Kohanim sheep line, like a sheep eye on our forehead. I noticed most Altoids, a lot of times my father would introduce me to a different Kohen seed, and we all have these, like, it's like a sheep. Here, I'll show you. People, I have like a $30 phone. Leave me alone. Those are my favorite eyes, people. The sheep eye. There's nothing better than sheep eye. It makes me want to cry.